What is going on, my lovely friends? Candace B here. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am so grateful for you being here. If you are already subscribed, welcome back. I am also so grateful for you being here. I appreciate you all. And I know I always say it, but I always just want to remind you, that I'm just so happy to see you, and I hope you stick around. Today I am going to be doing a little back testing video. I was just gonna do this off camera, but I'm like, you know what? Let's do it on camera. Let's embarrass ourselves on camera. Just kidding. But honestly, I don't even know, because I'm gonna be back testing the US30, and if you've watched my previous back testing videos on US30, it's always a mess. And so it might still be a mess. But before we get into this video, I'm just gonna need you guys to stop, scroll down, and hit that like button. I always appreciate it. And while you're down there, you might as well subscribe, stay a while, hang out with me, okay? Let's be friends. Let's be friends. My glasses are still crooked, slightly, but I have ordered new ones, 2 new pairs, so they should be on the way. So don't watch that. But that being said, let us get into this video. Okay guys, so I initially wanted to back test on my Forex Tester 5 software, but the technologically challenged person I am, I think what happened was I was trying to make space on my computer and I deleted the software. So I need to figure out how to log back into it. So we're gonna do that because I do want to back test on that software in the near future. But for now, we're gonna be using our handy dandy trading view. It always comes in handy. And as you can see, we already have the US30 on the chart here, the beautiful, crazy US30. I know a lot of you guys trade it, and kudos to you, because I don't know, it's just a different beast in itself. So I think for me, the goal for this video is to essentially just kind of practice direction, like basically practice like deciphering direction of the market. I'm just gonna go back. Let's just do, I don't know. I don't remember the last time or like the last month I back tested. So I'm just gonna do November, I guess. But yeah, I just really wanna kind of focus on getting good at kind of understanding the direction, based on the supply and demand zones, where price is going, and being able just to kind of figure out where price might be heading from there. Obviously the pips, like all that type of stuff, my risk reward, haven't quite gotten that down pat just yet, but I will be working on that next. I think for me, just when it comes to indices, I just need to take it one step at a time, because I also want to back test the NAS 100, but we'll do that a whole nother day. So let's just get into it right now. Okay, so this is November 2nd, 2021, I think. Yeah, November 2nd, 2021. So I'm just gonna go back to see what day that was, because if it's like the end of the week. Okay, it was a Tuesday, so that's not too bad. And from my understanding, even just looking at kind of how price pushes, I feel like it's usually around 9 a.m., 10 a.m. I guess you can say, yeah, like 9 a.m., 10 a.m. that price pushes. So I'm gonna be focusing on taking trades during that time. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm just gonna fast forward this until we get to the next day. So we'd start on Wednesday, which is a pretty good day to start, if I may say so myself, I think, It's not a Monday, it's not a Friday, it's just right in the middle. Let's get to it. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's start from here. So we know that price is going up. I see that clearly. I see that price is going up. I haven't used EMAs when back testing. So this is pretty different, I guess, for me. I'm curious to see how that would work out when it comes to back testing the US30, I mean. So, okay, so we see that there is higher low, higher high structure. Okay, we see that, cool. Now, I'm wondering if price is going to get back up, because we see that there is this sort of supply level here where price for quite a few hours, like 4 hours, wasn't able to push above and it just started pulling back and rejecting it. So I want to see if we're going to end up coming back into this area. And if that's the case, I'd be looking to take a short position just to see if, you know, that would be valid. Right now, this is 6 a.m. Let's do 7, 8, 9, okay, 10. See, this is what makes me nervous about the US30. Like these are just huge candlesticks. Like, oh, I need to stop psyching myself out though, because I think that for me, I overthink things and it's not necessary a lot of the time. So yeah, I just want to wait until price gets back into this area. I just want to see if it does. So let's just play it out, because that was a 10 a.m. candle. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like why? Oh my God. I'm like regretting doing this. I'm regretting. Because why? Why? Oh my gosh. This is a huge push up. So this is November 3rd still, 2 p.m. Okay, we're probably just gonna wait till the next day. We're probably just gonna wait. Well, it did break that little cleanly. Now I'm wondering if it's gonna pull back and, okay. So on the H1, we see prices hovering above the EMA. That's one confluence. Second confluence is higher low, higher high structure. That's, you know, 2. And the third is that price broke above this resistance, supply level, whatever, and has pulled back and is now testing it as a support. So that being said, I want to see if I'm going to go down to the 30-minute, because I think that it's better to get an entry on the lower time frames. And I'm probably going to use the 15-minute and the 1 hour. That's another thing I want to do, is in addition to like trying to decipher direction or kind of get good at determining that, I also want to see if I can use 2 main time frames, like the H1 and the M15 type of thing, or the H4 and the M30, like a higher time frame and a lower time frame, to really get a good entry. So let's do M15. Ooh, I need a bullish candle. I need a better bullish candle than that. Are we not going up? Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. So we're back above this area. It's 4 p.m. though. I can't take a trade at 4 p.m. on the Dow. Never mind. We're gonna wait for another day, y'all. So the 4th was the Thursday, so when am I gonna take a trade? Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see what Friday brings, even though I didn't want to start on a Friday, whatever. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We are breaking, but this level here, this is definitely an area of concern now. So initially this was the area I was looking to short the Dow, but then it broke above it and now it's at this level here. So let's see what happens. 7, okay. Let's see, 8 a.m. Oh my gosh, see, how am I supposed to trade this? Like, I'm thinking it's gonna reject here. Oh my gosh. Clearly it's going up. So I think, you know what? I think just following the trend makes more sense instead of trying to catch a reversal, because I could have easily gotten in here at like 4, even though I don't know if I'd be up at 4 a.m. trading, but okay. You know what, we're just gonna play this out and see when structure decides to be a bit less crazy. Wow, it's just breaking to the upside really strongly. It's like it swings high and then it just pulls back so strongly. But we are still going up, you know, higher, low, higher, high structure is definitely there. Higher, low, higher highs. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I'm gonna short this because I feel like the fact that, first of all, it looks like a head and shoulders in one area, so that is technically considered like a reversal indication in a way. Price wasn't able to push further up from here, and you know, when it did push up further previously, it exhausted right away and came back down. So I want to see if now it might want to come back to this liquidity area before maybe pushing up or breaking down below it. So let's just set that up. So this would be 10 a.m., which is when I wanted to trade. But November 9th, what day is that? Oops. November 9th, 2021. Okay, that's a Tuesday. That's like the next Tuesday. So let's just scrap everything that I was trying to do before. This is really the start. I'm gonna go down to the 15-minute to see if I can get a better like risk reward. So I want price to come back down here. Ideally, I'm gonna just go for a 1-to-1, even though I'm not really, it's kind of hard not to try to focus on risk reward when like you're trying to, you know, trade. Like you can't just have some crazy stop loss. Like I'd rather my stop loss be just a little above the previous candle and a little bit above the EMA. So technically it's a 1-to-1. So let's see what happens. Let's cross our fingers, y'all. This can go any type of way. What? Did it hit? Oh my God. Yes. Yo, I won the trade. This is so exciting. Yes, the patience paid off. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, why am I acting like this is a live market? This is backtesting, but I am so excited. Oh my gosh, wow, good job, Candace. Pat myself on the back for that. That was really stressful, but I feel like I had quite a few confluences and price came right back down to this level, exactly like how I thought it would, or I was hoping it would. So yeah, I really do find that using, I like the 1 hour and the 15-minute, that 1 hour, 15-minute combo with the Dow. So, okay, cool. We got a win. How many pips is that? That's another thing, because pips are different with, is that 100 pips? Anyways, let's go back to the 1 hour. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen next. If price continues the way it is, it looks like a reversal might be happening. I wanna see if we are gonna break down below this level. I'm gonna erase this level here because that's kind of unnecessary anymore. So let's see what happens. I'm just gonna see what price does. It might shoot up, it might shoot back down. Okay, it looks like it's kind of consolidating. Okay, ooh, it broke. It ended up breaking, just as I had thought it would. So pretty much it broke below this zone here. And now I want to see if it's going to, okay, so now what I'm seeing is that there is a demand level that it's at right now. So I want to see what it's going to do on the H1. Okay, pulled right back up. Let me go down to the 15-minute and see, because this could just be a lower high, lower low forming. I want to see about it. Mind you, it's kind of in the middle of these two ranges, so I don't know how I feel about trading that. Let's see what happens on the M15. Let's see if it continues to break to the downside. We're being patient here, people. Being patient. Is it going to touch the EMA? Are you going to break or what? Let's go a little bit faster. Ooh, we almost broke. So this was around 10, 11. Okay. I think for me here, I'm gonna, oh, okay. I'm just trying to see, because before when price came down here, it pushed up very strongly. And what I'm noticing in terms of similarity here is that there are these lower wicks, these candlesticks, but it's the 15 minutes. So let me go to the 1 hour and see. Okay, so it's about 2 to 3 hours worth of data here that's showing rejection. So I'm wondering though if there's enough momentum to push to the downside. So I'm gonna go back to the 15. I'm gonna see what happens if we break. Okay, I'm gonna take a short and see if we continue to the downside. And we're keeping it 1-to-1. This can definitely go up. I'm accepting the risk. I'm accepting the risk. Ah! Ah! Okay, accept the risk, Candace, accept the risk. Accept the risk. Accept the risk. Come on, it's right there. You're really not gonna hit my take profit? Now I'm annoyed. Now I'm annoyed. Wow, a lot of consolidation. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Wait, did it hit my... Didn't even hit anything yet. It's just been going wild. Push. Oh, G's and B's. Okay, so that was a loss. Look how close it got though. Oh my gosh. I guess that was kind of consolidation. It started kind of moving sideways, but look how close it got to hitting my take profit. So I guess in this case, definitely I could just have put my stop loss at break even, and that would have been a risk-free trade. So note to self, Candace, let's just keep going. I'll probably do like 1 or 2 more trades. Okay, this looks like definitely we're in a downtrend now because we're breaking structure. We're breaking the bullish structure basically that happened here. So let's see. Let's see if we come back up to this zone here and then reject it again. What time is this? 1 p.m. Mind you, wait, I don't even know what time I took that last trade. The 11th, so that would have been the Thursday, November 11th. Yeah, that would have been the Thursday. So I took 1 trade on the 9th and then 1 on the 11th. Okay, so I wanna see, we came back up to the zone, makes sense. So I'm gonna go down to the lower time frame. Now I don't wanna take a trade at 3:45. Because November 12th is a Friday. Okay, we're just gonna have to take the L. Even I would have shorted this position. I would have took a sell, but because of the time, since it's like, it's close to market close and it's a Friday, I'm just gonna let it ride out. And then we're gonna wait till, I'm gonna wait till Tuesday. Tuesday till, okay, so the 16th, November 16th, Tuesday, yeah. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my gosh. Good thing I didn't take a sell. Good thing I didn't take a sell here. So this is 9 a.m. Let's see what 10 a.m. does. Ooh, okay, it came right back down. Let's see what's happening here. If we're wanting to go up now, because now it looks like structure is not continuing to the downside. Like you can clearly see visually. So we saw higher lows, higher highs here. We saw a head and shoulders type of pattern, break, retest, started pushing down, lower highs, lower lows. But now it's coming back up. So it's not continuing down. It's kind of reversing back up. So I wanna kind of see what that would mean. Let's see. What happens here? Okay, so we're pushing up. Okay, I'm gonna follow momentum here and I'm going to take a buy. I'll put my stop loss below this area here and I'm gonna do a 1-to-1 risk reward. 1-to-1, okay. And that does kind of act as confluence. That does kind of make sense where my take profit is, because when we look left, we have this area here. So let's see what happens. Go up. Oh, damn it. Okay, so that dropped. Okay, so didn't work out the way I thought it would, but it did push up for a little bit. Again, could have put my stop loss at break even, but clearly I was too scared to be thinking about that. All right, let's try 1 more trade and then we'll see what happens. So the 17th of November would be the next day, which would be Wednesday. So we're waiting for Wednesday. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are we breaking now? So maybe we are breaking. Or is this a double bottom? Let me just fix that. Let's go down to the lower time frames, 15, because that was a very impulsive move to the downside. So maybe it might be rejecting. Maybe price just wanted to come down here just to gather that liquidity and push back up. So let's see what the next candlestick shows. One more. Oh, that was the, yeah, 10 a.m. 10:15. Let's keep pushing. It's just consolidating here. And now it's starting to break. So we see that it broke these previous lows here, but it didn't close below it. It kind of just tapped into this area like it did here. And now it's, let's see what happens. See what happens. Okay. So I see now it's breaking this level and it closed below it. So I'm going to take a short position here. I'm gonna give my stop loss some breathing room. We're gonna try a 1-to-1 again. Risk reward, and let's just hold on to our hats. And hopefully this works. Oh goodness gracious, oh goodness gracious. Oh goodness gracious, oh goodness gracious. Oh goodness gracious. Oh, that was so scary. I'm actually killing myself. Why is this so funny? Like, this is so funny. I'm laughing at myself for like being so dramatic, but we came away with the W. Oh my gosh, why was that so stressful? Candace. Because yo, like the Dow just like, man, the spikes, like look how close it got to my stop loss multiple times. And it's just like, you have to, honestly, again, kudos to anyone who trades the Dow live, because you have to have your emotions in check. Like that is definitely stressful, seeing price just reverse like that, especially when it was so close to your take profit, then it reverses and then boom, it just drops and it hits your take profit. So wow, that was a bit stressful. Yeah, I had a win first on the, what was it, the 9th of November 2021. So that was a Tuesday. Yeah, right? Yeah, the 9th. And then I took a sell. I shorted on the 11th, which was a Thursday, around the same time, New York session. That was a loss. Then next trade I took was on the 16th, which was the Tuesday of the next week, around the same time. Took a long position, but got stopped out. And then my last one was around the same time on the 17th, the Wednesday, shorted the Dow and it was a win. So that was not bad. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. 2 wins and 2 losses. I think we are improving, guys. I think we are improving. I think we are understanding the Dow a little bit more, like a tiny bit more. Not too crazy. I don't want to get ahead of myself, you know, because just it's a beast, and I don't plan on trading it live anytime soon. But I find that, yeah, like the Dow respects levels. I can see how, I don't know if the 50 EMA is helpful in this case just yet. I would have to back test it more, but it seems like for sure having a set time to trade it, like between 9 and 11 a.m. is definitely smart to do. And just sticking to it, to be honest. I'm glad that I stuck to it. I stuck to my 1-to-1 risk reward. I stuck to the similar time to trade and just waited it out. But yeah, that was very interesting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know, hit that like button if you guys laughed along with me, because yeah, this is hilarious. I don't know why I'm so scared of this instrument. But comment down below, do you trade the Dow? What do you do? Like, give me some tips. Have you found success in it? Like, help a sister out, you know? Are you scared to trade it as well? And of course, do not forget to subscribe so you know when I post another video. And in the meantime, feel free to check out any of my other videos on this channel and my other channel, Candace BTV, where I vlog. And be sure to check out those vlogs, guys, because your girl is gonna be on vacation soon. I know I mentioned it quite a few times. This video will not be up. No, I think this video will be up before I go on vacation. But either way, go and check out Candace BTV to just see what I'm doing, where I'm going. You guys can guess, try to figure out where I'm going, but it's a tropical island and I'm just ready to be on a beach. That being said, once again, I'm so grateful for you guys for stopping by and watching this video. And I hope you have an amazing, awesome, sensational day, week, and life.
Bye.